Hi guys, this is my first video after recovering, so I'm going to take you along this morning. We're heading out and I'm going to start my new video. We're heading out real early this morning, going up to Bob's school. He's got to do some checking on on his school. Nobody's there, so we're going up together and we're taking Joey, but I thought it was pretty cool. So I wanted to show you the morning. We're going through the drive-thru at Dunkies, just getting our coffee for the ride. And this is our first day feeling human again. Babe, you feel human?
Oh yeah, very humanized.
you feel humanized?
Very humanized.
You feel like you're ready to drive and get back into life?
The little man in the back. Look at little Joey.
Joey,
little man. He said, "Good morning, everybody."
Yeah, so we survived.
She's a tough kid. I'm a big baby.
No, you're not. You are awesome. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a minute. We're gonna be placing our order. Are we getting ready to go into school? Are we getting ready to go into school, Joey? You gonna go for a walk? You going for a walk in the school? Little dog, big world. Hi guys, so I'm back home. We just got back home a little while ago. I don't want to overdo it, obviously, because this is our first day really feeling like we could actually do something normal. But because of last week and because of having COVID, I wasn't able to do what I had planned to do for Julie's shower, for my daughter Julie's shower. I have favors to make, and I had taken off yesterday and Thursday as vacation days prior to coming down with it, so that I could get together with my daughter-in-law and make the favors. And what we're doing is we're doing little mini candy bars, and we're putting them in little blue bags with little wraps, and I'll show you these up close, but they're little wraps in the elephant theme, and it has their name on it and the date of the shower. So, and what I also did was I got some tags that I'm gonna stamp thank you on and just do that. So we were supposed to do this. It would have been better to do it with 2 people. Actually 3. We had someone else coming and helping us, but I had to cancel that. So the shower's next weekend, so I have to do these on my own, which I'll be working on them today. But the other thing that I need to work on that I had planned on doing on my days off is getting the gifts together that I'm making. We're gonna have a couple of prizes. Well, we'll have, I guess, the number of peanuts. We're gonna have a diaper raffle, and then we're gonna play 2 rounds of baby bingo. So I have to have some prizes. So I picked up some stuff from Williams-Sonoma. So I wanted to have some nice, something nice in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the dollar store and pick up a couple of things just to go inside. I have like 4 kids under 9 that are coming to the shower, so I wanted to do little goodie bags for them. And then I have Easter baskets for my kids. It happens to be my daughter-in-law's birthday at the same time, so like I didn't get to do half this stuff, so they're gonna get their Easter baskets at the shower because that's where I'm gonna see them, and I'll also give my daughter-in-law her birthday gift at that time too. So I mean, that's just how it's gonna be. So obviously I'm gonna wear a mask when I go to the dollar store because I'm feeling good, you know, be on the safe side for others. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the dollar store now and then come home, and then I'm home for the rest of the day. I'll show you what I have on my table, and you can see when I start putting things together when I get back. Back from going to the dollar store, and I went to my P.O. box, and I have something here from one of my subscribers. Molly, what did you send me? Let me get some scissors so I can cut this open. Let's see what's in here. So sweet. Couldn't have come at a better time. It's like getting a little get well gift here. So sweet, so thoughtful. Molly and I have been talking. She lives in Texas, and she knows that I want to go to Waco. So I don't know if this has something to do with Waco, but we shall see. Oh, yes it does. Yes it does. Oh, Molly. Wow. And she sent me a little card, and it's a bless your home. And it says Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines, and it's a paint sack, premium interior paint. This is awesome, Molly. This is fantastic. What a great bag. And she sent me a card with it's got her name on it, and it's little cheetah print. This is so sweet, Molly. I have to read this because it's really awesome. Hi, Lisa. Just a little something for you until we get to Magnolia. We're gonna get there, Molly. That is a promise. Yep, that is a promise. So thank you so much, Molly, for sending this to me. It couldn't have come at a better time. What a great thing to cheer me up after a week of being down for the count. Thanks, Molly. All right, so what I picked up at the dollar store to add to my gifts, I got some utensils. Really nice, you know. For a dollar store went up to $1.25, which I'm sure you know by now, which does increase the price overall. So it's still a good deal. So I got a spoon, I got a whisk, and I got a little spoon. So I'm just gonna tuck them in here. And then I got a Stonewall Kitchen. My little grocer carries these Stonewall Kitchen things. And I got a wild blueberry jam, and that goes with it because it's a blue pot holder from Williams-Sonoma. So there's a Williams-Sonoma Peter Rabbit spatula in here. So it's, you know, it looks high-end, but I didn't have to. I did like a grocery store and a Dollar store to go with it. So there's that one gift. This is a Sunny Orange Citrus Kitchen Essentials, and it's dish soap, hand soap, and countertop spray. So to go along with this, I got some sponges from the dollar store, which I'll take out of the package. You'll see me when I put it together. And then Stonewall Kitchen garlic rosemary citrus sauce. For the dish towels, I got a Dawn dish detergent at the dollar store for $1, and I got 2 of these Myers bar soaps. So I can put a Myers bar soap with that as well. These are the best dish towels, these Williams-Sonoma dish towels. That was a perfect gift in and of itself. But you know, you add just a little something extra. And then with the these 3 spices, paprika, bay leaf, and a triple striped garlic, I can also add in a bar soap to go with this as well. And then for the kids' little goodie bags, I just picked up 2 for $1 bags. And I'll probably use my Cricut machine and write their names on it and maybe write Happy Easter on there. But I got them each a coloring book, and it's really a nice one. And the girls are getting a little Easter pair of socks, and some crayons. These are 48 crayons for $1 at the dollar store. So they'll get some crayons, and they'll get some bubbles. And I didn't put any candy in here because, you know, I don't know what their parents think about candy. You just don't want to do something that, you know, is going to be an issue for the parents. So these are all things: crayons, coloring book, bubbles, a pair of cute Easter socks. They'll like that, and there's nothing, I don't have to worry that I'm giving them something their parents don't want them to have. So I'm going to just show you kind of putting things together, and then that's probably it for today, because I think I've, you know, pushed the envelope, which I am known to do. I kind of did that this week when the beginning of the week when I first tested positive for COVID. It was Monday, but I came down with the symptoms last Saturday, so it's been a week. And of course, I had just been to the office, which if you had seen my last video, you know, I'm going up to the office for the first time. Yay, I'm so excited. And 2 days later, I started having some mild symptoms, and Sunday I had a fever. When I went to bed, it was like 100.8. And I knew, I'm like, something's definitely not right. And Sunday I took a COVID test, those at-home COVID tests that we got from the government several weeks back. And the first one I took was negative, and I thought, okay, great. And then Monday, I said, I need to get a real COVID test, but I couldn't find one locally that I could do in time. And of course, I had stuff on my calendar for work that was pretty important stuff. So I took another one of the at-home COVID tests, and one that day came out positive, and I had to call my boss and tell him and my whole team who was with me that day. But knock on wood, they have not, I'm knocking on wood, they have not come down with any symptoms, and no one has from the office either. So I had no symptoms that day. I felt fine. I felt fine that day. I felt fine the next day. It wasn't until the 3rd day. So I don't know when I contracted it or where, and then of course Bob came down with it. He tested positive on Tuesday. So yeah, we've just been holed up here together, but I did work. That's the thing about working from home. You know, I had stuff that I felt like I had to do. So I got through it. But by Wednesday, and luckily, like I told you, I had Thursday and Friday off. But by Wednesday, I had a meeting at 12:30 I had to get done. And the prep work for it. I thought, there's no way, how am I going to do this? But I did do it. I got through it with Tylenol, drank lots and lots of water. I had a fever, and I just felt, you know, just lousy. But I got through my meetings. No one was the wiser. And then I just pretty much collapsed on the couch for the rest of the night and went to bed real early. And and then Thursday and Friday we just laid low, and I got the rest I needed, and today's day 7, and I feel basically, I want to say 95% back to normal. So but like I said, I don't want to push it like I can be known to do, so I'm just gonna kind of take it easy. I might have something to eat and just chill. I did get into the 2nd season of Bridgerton. While yesterday I was feeling good enough to sit and watch something, and I basically watched Bridgerton from noontime until 10 o'clock last night. I just could not stop watching it. It is very, very good. And so I'm probably gonna go sit down and get that fired up again and start watching the rest of that. So anyway, yeah, so I'll show you this, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. You'll see that in snippets, and yeah, I'll be back when I'm back. Guys, so I'm gonna be wrapping up this vlog now, and it's Monday morning, and last Monday I was supposed to have a new floor and stairway carpeting installed by Empire, and I had to cancel it, obviously, but they are coming this morning, so I'm going to show you what's being done. And on Thursday's video, I'll show you how it all came out. So I'm using Empire floors for the first time. It was a very easy thing to do. I just went online and signed up for a free estimate, and they came out like within a day and estimated for me, got me all signed up, and I'm going to be getting like not hardwoods, but it's going to look like hardwoods, and my stairway is going to have a new carpeting. And the reason why I'm doing it is because, you know, when we first put this rug in, I was thinking, you know, oh, I love off-white Berber. Yeah, well, I have 2 cats and a dog, so that didn't work out very well. So we've had this rug for about 5 years, and it's time for a change. And I want something that isn't going to be a rug that I have to clean all the time because of, you know, hairballs and other fun things that animals will deposit into your rug on a regular basis. So yeah, so I'll show you what is there now, and in the next video on Thursday, I'll show you how it all came out and what we're gonna do to decorate it. So thanks for coming along with me on this vlog, and I will see you in my next video. I hope that you are all staying well and have a great week, and I will see you soon.